Good afternoon, everyone. Can you hear properly? Can you hear properly? This is your science class. Okay. Only 8 are online now. One by one they are coming. Let's take some time. Okay, let everyone to join. Just anyone respond me. What is acid rain? Those who are online, what is acid rain? What is acid rain? Or what are the gases responsible for acid rain? Gases, anyone? Gases responsible for acid rain. Make answer to this question. What is acid rain? Or what are the gases responsible for? Jasmine, Rajot, I hope you can answer it. Sulfur dioxide, yes. Not only sulfur, the sulfur dioxide. Sulfur and nitrate. Nitrogen oxide. NO2. Yes, correct. Yes. Okay, these are all correct, but nitrogen having different oxides. It is nitrous oxide, okay, nitrogen dioxide. These are different oxides of nitrogen. Now only 10 are there. Now I will question only one student, only he or she will answer. Kinton, you will answer the next question. Kinton, it is for you. What is deforestation? Kinton, it is for you. What is deforestation? Only Kinton will make the answer. Ranodeep, you have given the answer. Sulfur and nitrogen dissolve in acid water is called acid rain. It is not the proper answer. It is the oxides of. You have to mention the oxides of sulfur and nitrogen. Then it would be the correct one. Kinton. What is deforestation? Make in a single word or few words. Yes, practice of cutting down trees for human need is known as deforestation. Yes. So cutting down of trees for the requirement of the civilization is called deforestation. Okay. Now I am moving to the exercise of the chapter, that is combustion and flame. Last day I have done up to question number 5, A, B or C, up to which we have completed in page number 75, question number 5. 5A was completed. That is, water is not used to control fire involving electrical equipments. 5A is completed or not? Answer quickly. 5A, B, C, up to which we have completed on the last class. I hope up to 5B I have written in the board, and 5C was discussed. Nobody is there to answer this question. Okay, so I will start from question number 5. Yes, Jasmine, have you the answer? Okay. Okay, so I will start from question number 5C. I hope up to question number 5B was completed on the last class. It would be 5C. 5C was also discussed. What is this? Now the question number 5C, read it carefully. Question number 5C is that paper by itself, what is no sir? Today we will start from question number 2. Question number 2, that means 5B. 5C, not only 3. Okay, use your microphone. Rajat, use your microphone to tell me. That is after the fill in the blanks. From that question we will discuss. Okay. Okay. Okay, so we have to revert back. Question number 3 will be discussed today. The question number 3 is that how the use of CNG in automobiles has reduced pollution in our cities. Now everyone knows what is CNG. It is compressed natural gas, and CNG is termed as cleaner fuel. Why it is termed as cleaner fuel? Because the exhausted gases, that is the harmful gases which is exhausted during combustion of CNG is lower, that is the quantity is lower. Okay, so it is called a cleaner fuel. Okay, and also another is that the dust particles, that is the unburned carbon particle which is extracting from the combustion, is also less in case of CNG in comparison to the other fuels like the petrol and diesel, etc. Okay, so just make the answer. Question number 3. CNG having more advantage than other fuels like petrol, diesel with respect to following points. CNG having more advantage than other fuels like petrol and diesel with respect to following points. Number 1, it produces less quantity of harmful gases. it produces less quantity of harmful gases. And number 2, the unburnt carbon particle, the unburnt carbon particle is less in CNG. With respect to these 2 points, we can say that it is a greater advantage with respect to environmental issue. It produces less quantity of harmful gases. The unburned carbon particle is less in CNG. So CNG is a cleaner fuel than others. Board is hazy. Why the board becomes hazy? Okay, the second point is that the unburned carbon particle, write it down, the unburned carbon particle is less in CNG. The unburned carbon particle is less in CNG, so CNG is a cleaner fuel than others. Okay, complete. Next, number 4. Compare LPG and wood as fuel. Question number 4. LPG and CNG. Now this question you make answer it in the description form or also in the tabular form. Next answer what is? So you will make a description type answer for the next question, that is comparison of LPG and wood, and also make a chart, that is the column type, that is differentiation type. Okay, so under wood you will write, yes, it will be the better than in tabular form. Jasmine is telling that write it in the tabular form. Okay, write it in the tabular form. So in the left side you will write wood, and in the right side you will write LPG, and in the title you will write comparison between wood and LPG as fuel. Wood and LPG as fuel. Okay, then you will make it in the left column you will write wood, and in the right column you will write the LPG. First in the wood column, number 1, it is used as domestic and also as industrial fuel previously. Number 1 here, LPG replaces wood in domestic and also in industry and also industrial purpose. Number 1. Number 2, wood produces lots of smoke which pollutes air, full stop. Here in number 2, in the LPG, combustion of LPG produces less smoke. Number 3, under wood, the calorific value of wood is less than LPG, and then within bracket you will write the calorific value of wood than LPG, not to mention the value. Number 3 here, it's having high calorific value. And in the bracket you will mention here it is 55,000 kilojoule per kg. Yes, you will write, everyone. Okay, now I will rub the point 1. Number 4, Number 3, the calorific value of wood is less than LPG. The calorific value of wood is less than LPG, and in the LPG column it's having high calorific value, that is 55,000 kilojoule per kg. I have mentioned the point number 3. The calorific value of wood is less than LPG, and in the right side it's having high calorific value, 55,000 kilojoule per kg. Okay, and number 4, using and transport of wood is difficult, and in the right side you will write transport using is easier. Transport and using is easier. Yes, you will write, you may write that 17,000 to 22,000 in case of wood. Okay. Now complete these first, then I will move to the next question, question number 5. So the conclusion after that, it will be the LPG. So LPG is considered as a better fuel than wood. Number question 5. 5A. This is the explanation type question. 5A. Water is not used to control fire involving electrical equipments. Okay. Now I have told earlier that water should be used on specific cases, that is the wood or the low temperature range. But when the temperature is okay, waiting. Now I can continue. Sumit. Okay. Okay, so 5A, that is water is not used to control fires involving electrical equipments. Okay, now the electrical equipments, because it carries the electricity, and when we know that water is also a conductor to the electricity, this is the first reason. Okay, so as water is conductor towards electricity, so there is a chance to get shock. So this is the reason. Okay, as water is conductor of electricity, water is conductor of electricity, full stop. Fire caused by electrical equipments, write it fast. Fire caused by electrical equipments should not be extinguished by water, as there is a chance to get electric shock. Repeating, water is conductor of electricity, full stop. The fire caused by the electrical equipment should not be extinguished by water, as there is a chance to get electric shock. Completed. Next, I will rubbing the upper portion. Question number 5B. 5B. The question is about LPG is a better domestic fuel than wood. LPG is a better domestic fuel than wood. Because number one, it produces, okay, you will write LPG having high calorific value. LPG having high calorific value compared to wood. Number one. Number two, LPG produce less smoke than wood. Number three, easy to use. These three are the points. Number one, LPG having high calorific value compared to wood. Number two, LPG produce less smoke than wood, easy to use. And another one is there. Number four, using of LPG stops or reduces deforestation. Using of LPG reduces deforestation. Though these are the 4 points with respect to, we can say that LPG is a better domestic fuel than that of the wood. Using of LPG reduces deforestation. Okay, now I will go to the question number C. Paper by itself catches fire easily, whereas a piece of paper wrapped around an aluminium pipe does not. Question number C. Paper having low ignition temperature. Paper having low ignition temperature, comma, so it catches fire easily, full stop. And in the next pair I will write, now I may rub the upper part of this board. Respond quickly. This portion I may rub. Okay, thank you. As the space will coming to decrease, I will rub the board one by one. Okay, so the question number 5C starts from here. Paper having low ignition temperature, comma, so it catches fire easily. But when paper wrapped around aluminium pipe, comma, it do not catches fire because the supplied heat is transferred to aluminium pipe through conduction method. Conduction method. Conduction method. For this, ignition temperature of paper increases and do not catches fire. Do not catches fire easily. It is not that it will not catch fire, but it will catch fire at a higher temperature. Okay. Any problem up to that?